an artificial worker. You are getting an artificial worker who is working for you 24/7 without a break, without health challenges, without health breaks, without going for short breaks, without any holidays. He's a faithful worker that works for you throughout the year, 24/7. And I was attracted to this business because of that power of having someone working for me all through. And then there was also the potential of adding other workers under me by referring others. So that was very attractive to me. It was very attractive to me that I'll have a worker whom I don't have to keep following up, who uses artificial intelligence, is very smart, and is equipped to do the trading for me effectively. So those are some of the reasons why I joined this business. And when I joined, I did not know anything, nothing. I was a total newbie. I had never done anything crypto. I had not involved myself in any crypto business. So I came in as a person who was only guided by interest. I only joined because of my interest. Otherwise, I did not know anything about this business. So don't be surprised that being elderly as I am, I'm now able to train people of much younger years, people who have more technology than myself, and they are all here waiting to listen from me, an elderly man who has already even retired. So even if you are here and you're elderly, give yourself a thumbs up. Just know that you can do it also. So if I can do it at my advanced age, you can also do it. So this is the power of crypto trading, especially united together with the technologies that we are going to talk about. There are several technologies that are involved in this business, and they are all geared to make it effective and profitable for you. So if you are here for the first time, please feel at home. Feel at home. Know that you are in the right place where you can be able to change your life using the new technologies that were created by the Royal Q opportunity and were released to all the communities around the globe in 2021. So since 2021, if you have not joined, you have missed 5 years. You have missed almost 5 years of action. So you are not too late, but you can start from where you are. So we are going to have a chat on this. We are going to start off by a simple calculation. We want to see how profitable is Royal Q compared to what we generally do in our daily lives. What takes up most of our daily lives. We want to compare the two. So allow me to share the screen. I said today you're not making any shout outs. We are going to concentrate on what we need to do. So everybody who is here, feel welcomed. Don't feel offended if I don't mention your names. So all protocols observed, please, let's be on the same page, learn together, and make a difference in our lives and of people around us. Because this is what this opportunity has potential to do, to change everyone's life, So let me share the screen so that we can start somewhere. Share screen, yes. Start now. Good. I believe you are now able to see my screen. So we are going to do mathematics first. Mathematics, and you know numbers don't lie. So we are going to start with mathematics. So I'll go look for a calculator. So I'll look for a calculator here. Hey, it looks like I was knocked out. It looks like I was knocked out. Okay, so I'll share again. I'll share the screen. Thank you for returning me. So there we are. So we are going to calculate. So I was looking for a calculator here. Looking for a calculator. I was looking for a calculator here, and I just found one. So we are going to do some mathematics here. We are going to do some mathematics. So the mathematics we are going to do is to determine whether what you are making is better than what Royal Q is offering, or if you can use Royal Q as an extra source of income to complement what you are doing, so that you can use the two to increase your income. So for Kenya, we are going to see. Today, we are not going to start with the answer. We are going to start with the possibility. So we are going to start with the possibility, so that when you see the answer, recognize where you lie. So we are going to start with an income of $25, just $25 per day, a daily income of $25. That's what we are going to start with. And this daily income of $25 is going to be multiplied by the 30 days that make up a month. The 30 days that make up a month. So you have made $25. Remember, the robot is able to trade 24/7. So there are no Saturdays, there are no weekends, there are no Sundays, there are no breaks. So we are not going to allow for breaks. We are going to take $25, multiply by 30 days. Then we multiply that by the current exchange rate, which is 130, which is 130 shillings to the dollar. So this is the amount of money that if you are to consistently make $25 every day, you will make in a month. That is 97,500. If you are to consistently make $25 every day per month for 1 month, you would make 97,500 shillings, Kenya shillings, as your income. And we can say, if this is the total amount that you have made, maybe you have made $10 in trading, you have made $10 in referrals, and you have made an extra $5 from a friend who referred someone. So you have made $25. So you are not separating. You are just doing that. This is all the money that you have made in a day. So it is $25 times 30 days times 130, which is the exchange rate. So you can see that this is 97,500. And remember that there are no taxes involved. There are no charges involved. So you make your 97,500 in cash. That is in cash. If you are to put it as separate somewhere, you save it separate everywhere. Or if that was your goal, to make $25 every day for 30 days, that's the amount of money you would have. It is just 2,500 short of 100,000. Now to come to the realization that most people in Kenya, the bigger number of people in Kenya do not earn 97,500. Most of them, including business people, low and medium businesses are not able to make this net per month. Most of people in Kenya. Most of the employees in Kenya are also not able to make this kind of money as a net income. So what we are saying is that you can increase your income by simply logging into this system and make money. You can increase your system by simply logging into this system to make money. So now we want now to see at what the other person who is earning less actually works for in a day. So we are going to reverse this mathematics. So now most people in Kenya earn below 25,000. Yes, below 25,000 net income. Most people in Kenya earn below 25,000 shillings per month in net income. So we are going to divide that by 30. Then we'll also divide it by 130 to know how many dollars they actually work for per day. So these people who are earning 25,000 and below are working for less than $6.4 per day. $6.4 per day. And that's the majority of people. That's where they lie. The majority of people lie in that category. So if you were to double your salary, you just need to increase it to just $12. So if you just create an extra income through Royal Q and you make just $6, you'd have doubled your salary every month. So that's what you are talking about, that you can double your salary by using this opportunity to create an income, an extra income to change your life. Now, let's look at the actuals of what people are doing and what they are earning. The actuals, so that we can compare between this person who is getting $6 and the one who is getting $25 and the one who is getting more, where they fall and how well they are actually doing in life. So we are going again to share something here that I had put aside, so that at least we see, so that we can see, what other people are doing with this opportunity. This is what other people are doing with this opportunity. This is what other people are doing with this opportunity. As you can see from this screen, the dates are inclusive of tomorrow, which is 25th, tomorrow. So the robot has already made profit for some people for tomorrow. But we don't want to talk about tomorrow, because tomorrow is not a complete day according to the statistics we are having here. So we are going to have a look at the screen that we have and see how much it would convert into. And then we see how much it compares with the income that you generally make every month. So we want to start with the smallest. We will start with the smallest, not the one that is incomplete. The smallest income here is $154. So we'll start by doing the calculation of $154. So $154 times 130 to get Kenya shillings. That is 20,000 Kenya shillings made in one day from one robot by one person. 20,000. Remember that we had said most workers in Kenya earn below 25,000 in net. Net, don't mistake me, net. So this person has almost made someone's net in one trade, the one that actually gave him the list on the day that he got the list. But now let's see the day that he got moderate. So when he got moderate, he got 453. So we go and calculate again 453 and see how much it will become. 453, and that becomes 58,890. So that is two salaries. 25,000 times 2 is 50,000. And that's what you have said is where majority of Kenyans earn. You can convert for your own countries, because I know this is a global event. So you can convert for your own areas. So this is the money that he made, 58,890 in one day. And that was when he got moderate income for that one day. Not the highest and not the lowest, just moderate. 58,890 made in one day using this same robot that we want to talk about. This business opportunity that we called you here to see the power of what we are talking about. So if someone can get a salary of this kind or an income of this kind every day, then we multiply by 30 days. You see, this is 1.7 million. That is 1.7 million going to almost 1.8 million shillings. if that was his consistent income. But we don't have consistent income in Royal Q because it is actual trading. So it fluctuates. On good days, you'll get a higher income. On low days, you'll get low income. So it depends on the actual market. This is true trading. These are true trading results as reflected here. So if this was his consistent income, that would make 1.7 million Kenya shillings as an income. When we go there, not even the top CEOs are paid that kind of money here in this country. Not even the top CEOs, because even our president is paid around 2 million. So you can imagine that this person can make almost as much as a president income in Kenya using this small thing that you put on your phone. So let's see how much was the highest. The highest in these 5 days that we are looking at was 633. And we are not just selected from far. You are not selected from far. You can see their latest days, and they are following each other. On 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, and it has already started 25th. And today is 24th. So 25th has already started, although we have not gone into 25th because of the global time zones. So the highest was 633. So we want to see what he got for 633. So if we change, we just have to rub it off. So 633 times 130, that makes it 82,000. That makes it 82,290. If we multiply it, if we assume you can get that kind of income for 1 month, if we assume it is possible you can get more, it's possible you cannot get that much. But if you assume that he can consistently make that kind of income, then we multiply by 30. And that will be 2.5 million. It's actually 2.468. So 2.4 million, and there's no tax involved. That is your your net income. Here, your net income is close to your gross income. So this is the actual money that he would have earned in 1 month using this thing that you put on your phone. Now, do you agree that this is something that you can use to change your life? Let me go back to the screen and we see if what you think about it. Let's go back. I'll stop sharing so that we can connect again, and then we can share as we continue. So do you think that this is something that you can use? Do you think that this is something that you can use to change your life? It's an app that you'll install on your phone. It's an app that you'll install on your phone. That phone that you use to do other things, you'll just add the app on that same phone. And then we'll give you the strategies, we give you the opportunities, we give you the signals, we give you the trainings, we give you everything that you need so that you can also start making money here. And my question is, do you think this opportunity can give you an opportunity or a system that can help you change your life? I can see people are saying yes. Doris Angel is saying thanks. Doring Mauri is saying yes. Joy is saying yes. Reisi is saying yeah, total absolute. Okiere is saying yes. Moffat is saying yes. Technospark 5 is saying yes. Yes, but it depends on one's capital. Of course, you cannot go to sell 2 eggs and get expect to come with income from 7 eggs. So if you go to sell 2 eggs, you will come back with profit from 2 eggs. That's how it goes. Yes. So Coach Mo is saying non-negotiable, yes. Anna Marietta Maraneja is saying yes. Aldo is saying yes. Crypto Trader is saying yes. Ambrose is saying yes. I agree. Japheth is saying I agree. Desmark is saying absolutely yes, because 2 months is this business is even more than my pay. Of course. Even if you start today, you'll have more income from this business than your employment. I can assure you that. I can assure you that even if you started today, by the end of this month, you'd have made more money. Let's say this is just 5 days to go. So if you started now, by the end of October, the income you'll make here will be higher than your salary. And that's something you can take to your bank. That's something that you can take to the bank, that if you start now, this business opportunity is able to give you more than your income, your employment income, by the end of next month. If you follow the strategies and you don't come with 2 eggs expecting a profit of 10 eggs. So come with good capital, be coachable, and be shown what to do. So that is all that you need to do. So let's now go to the presentation so that you can understand. We started with just the mind shift, so that you can see where you are, where you are using most of your time, and what you are being rewarded for it, and what you can do by changing or increasing your income by simply adding this onto your phone, so that even if you go to work, as you are working, the robot is still working for you, and therefore it's supplementing your income by adding more dollars into your pocket. The advantage of dollars is the power of increase through conversion. You see, you are converting in Kenya shillings, $1 is 130 shillings. And in Kenya, most of the workers are paid 1,000 shillings. Most of the casual workers, daily workers, or whatever, is between 300 and 1,000 shillings. So if you are being paid between that amount, then it means that you are being paid between $3 or $2 to $8, between $2 and $8 every day. So if you can come here and make sure that you are getting $12, $15, you are already up. You are earning more. So that's the goal that we should come with. That since I've been earning $8 or $7, can I now start earning 15? Then you move to 20, then you move to 30, then you move to 100, because even the person who is earning $800 in a day also started by simply listening to the presentation like you. So that is the power of what we are talking about. So let's have a look at the presentation that I had prepared. We are just going to see highlights. We are going to see highlights of the benefits. We want to see the highlights of the benefits that you will get by using this opportunity. Highlights of the benefits that you'll get by using this opportunity. Highlights of the opportunity. So we want to start from here. What is Royal Q? You may be asking, what's Royal Q? I'm sure today the presentation has changed your mind, because we start by telling you a lot of theory so that you will leave the meeting before you understand the power. So we started today with the power, and we compared the power against your own income. So nobody is judging you. It's you deciding, I'm not doing well, I need to increase. I can also join and increase my income. So that is how we started. So we now want to tell you what it is. What is this that we called you for? So in the next half an hour, we'll be able to go through this. So what is Royal Q? That's the first question that you may have. So the Royal Q trading robot is an automated cryptocurrency trading bot that offers a range of benefits for users looking to engage in crypto trading without dedicating extensive time and effort to monitoring markets. That statement is very powerful, especially for those who have tried crypto trading using manual means. Trading directly, it takes a lot of your time, and it needs a lot of skill and talent and training so that you can be able to trade effectively. So this is now something that has come to take away that pain, to take away that load, to take away that challenge, and give you your freedom, and also create an income that you can now combine with your time freedom to enjoy your life to the fullest. What are the benefits of using the Royal Cube bot? So number one is automated trading. It's automated. You set and you go. You set your trades and you go. So, and it trades 24/7. So whether you are doing manual trading, whether you are doing manual trading or you are doing automated trading, exhaustion would come in. But now with the automated trading, once you set your trades, then you go and you can rest, you can go to do other things, you can be engaged in other things, and your trades are still running using AI, using automated inbuilt systems. So that is one of the advantages, that it's automated and it trades 24/7 and it works on your behalf any time of the day, taking advantage of market opportunities, even when you are not available. Even when you are not available. Number two is advanced algorithms and AI. So the second advantage is that this AI technology has been put into this technology that we are talking about. So it uses its own inbuilt AI to decide. AI is artificial intelligence. So it uses that artificial intelligence inside it to decide when and where the power, the opportunity is for you to for it to buy for you and to sell for you. So Royal Q uses AI-powered algorithms that analyze the market and make decisions based on technical indicators and market conditions. This allows it to make trades that have a higher likelihood of being profitable. And not just that, it is able also to do that severally in a day. So there are repetitions of. The third advantage is risk management. The third advantage of using this AI Royal Q app is risk management. So there are inbuilt abilities that are inbuilt so that they can mitigate against losses using that AI that we have just talked about. So there are inbuilt stop loss and presets, take profit settings, so that you set according to what you prefer, or you set it to use its own AI to make decisions for you. So whether you know how to do it or you don't know how to do it, it can use its own intelligence to make these decisions on your behalf. So users can set risk management parameters such as stop loss and take profit points to minimize losses and secure profits. All those things you preset even and go away. So you're not bound to be there looking at the market all the time. So there's also auto adjusting to market volatility using inbuilt AI. So it will look at how the market is behaving and make decisions on your behalf, so that it decides either to buy more or to delay to buy or to sell at the set or wait a little more so that you can get extra. So the bot adapts to changes in market conditions, which is crucial in the often volatile world of crypto trading. It is true that volatile trading is crypto trading is very volatile, and therefore you need to have something that can help you cope with the volatility. And that something is this Royal Q app that it has AI and it is able to monitor the market and adjust itself and make decisions for yourself, for you, and make good profits. The fourth advantage is ease of use. Ease of use. For those who have never used this app, don't worry. No trading experience is needed. The bot is designed for both experienced and beginner traders. You don't need to understand complex trading strategies or charts to use it. You can start today and you can make money today. It has also a very simple and user-friendly interface that allows you just to input things that are already easy, and it guides you on how to set them. Once you set properly, it starts. So the user-friendly interface, the app and web platform are intuitive, making it easy to track performance and configure settings. What performance are you tracking? It makes every record of everything that it has done up to the last second, up to the 8th digit, 0.007222. That's what the profit that you made. 0.66666 0.31. That's the profit that you made. So it has a data analysis system that is so reliable, so dependable, and it's all built on blockchain technology. So what it says, what it prints is final because nobody can interfere with records on the blockchain. So that's another technology that's inbuilt in this app. So it runs on a blockchain. So the mathematics are correct, they are consistent, and they are proven. So the fifth advantage is diversified trading. Diversified trading. So multiple crypto pairs. You can use different pairs of cryptos to trade. You know, when you are buying cryptos, you are buying either using USDT or USDC, and you are buying another crypto. So your stable currency is USDT or USDC, and then you are buying against other volatile coins, so that when they change their prices, then you are paid in USDT as your profit. So this gives you a lot of opportunities, because one, it has many exchanges that it works with. It has many exchanges that it works with. Two, it also has many cryptocurrencies that it works with in those different exchanges, and therefore it gives you opportunity to decide which exchange you want to trade with, which coins you want to trade, and which ones you would just like to monitor or to hold. So those who have been trading, you know, there's holding. So you can identify one coin or a few coins and you hold them. You buy them when they are down and you keep them, and then you will sell them when they go up. That opportunity is also in it's also designed to be done using this app. Then scalable strategies. As you get more comfortable with trading, you can scale up your strategy or tweak the both settings to match your preferences. The more experience you get, then the better you'll be able to understand how to set these robots and how to maximize on their ability to give you profit. So you'll find that people who have used it very, very consistently have settings that they can give you, and you use them, you also make similar incomes, so long as you have similar capital. Advantage number 6, no need for external capital. So the money that you have started with, you can continue building it up. You can integrate your royal queue, and you just deposit your funds in your exchange, and then you tie the two together: the trading app, and your exchange through API integration. And then what you do is it is able to run on its own using the funds that you have put in your exchange, whether it's Binance, KuCoin, Bybit. There are many of them. Indodax, HTX. There are many. There are actually 9. So whichever you decide, and it has the power to run all of them, all the 9 exchanges. If you have you bind them, all of them, and give them capital and settings, it's able to run all of them. That's one app. It's able to run for you in 9 different exchanges. So security is API key integration. That's the security, the top security that ensures that your money is always in your exchange, although you are using royal key to trade. So this is API key integration. It allows the two apps, the exchange and the trading platform, to interact, so that it gives it uses data on the market to make decisions for it to either execute, buy, or sell. And when it sells, then when it makes a profit, the profit plus the profit plus the capital, they are both deposited in the exchange directly. So you find that every time you look at your balance is always growing every time it has made a profit, because when it makes a profit plus deposit plus capital are both deposited into your exchange. So this This API also secures in such a way that the app cannot have access to your funds, it cannot withdraw or make any alterations. So it can only trade and read. It will read and trade for you, but cannot transfer your funds from your exchange. Encryption and data privacy under security is RoyalQ ensures secure transmission of data, keeping your account details and trading history private. Your upline cannot know how much you are trading with. Your upline cannot know how much profit you are making. Your upline cannot know your details. Your details are private. So unless you release them into the open, nobody can know what you are doing in your app. It is private and confidential, so you have access to very good records, but they're only for you. That's the power of what we are talking about. So if you are the one who doesn't want to be known, this one has some money, this one doesn't do what, also this is the source of his income, you can keep everything private like that by just walking around with your phone, and people will think you just roam around doing nothing, yet you are making a lot of money that is sustaining you. So number 8 is profit sharing model. So there's affordable pricing. RoyalQ offers a relatively low upfront cost compared to many other trading bots. There's typically a one-time fee for using the bot, an activation fee of $120 per year. So the activation fee, which is license fee, is $120 per year. And additionally, it offers a profit sharing model where you only pay a fee based on your profits, only pay 20% of your profits, which can make it a low risk option. So this is a low risk option. You don't have a lot of charges, and you only pay 20% when you make a profit. And the money is paid upfront so that the system deducts it from the RoyalQ app directly every time you make a profit. So community and support, that's another, the 9th advantage is that community and support, we as crypto traders using the RoyalQ app as our trading platform, we have a very big community and very active. I'm part of that community, and that's why I'm sitting here training everybody who cared to come, so that he can also see the power and join the community and come with his expectations, be guided, and start going for his goals. So the active community has leaders, has organizers, has whatever. So you come and become part of that big community so that you can enjoy the benefits of working in a team. So there's a large community of RoyalQ users who share tips, strategies, and experiences. You can learn from others and exchange ideas on how to improve your trading strategies through this community. And we have a lot of customers, community support, a lot of it. We have our Zooms. This is one of them. We have many Zooms that you can attend and be trained on different aspects. We have our YouTube channel where you can retrieve materials like this one. So you are presenting other presentations. You go to the YouTube channel, RoyalQ Revolution, and you find you'll find the materials there, so you can just update yourself on what you missed or what you wanted to find out. Then you also have our groups, our WhatsApp groups, where we share information, we share signals, we share meeting ideas, we share settings. So you come there and you'll find everything that you need to make your business a success. Then customer support, that is directly from RoyalQ. It also offers customer service and support to help resolve any issues or answer questions you might have about the platform. So for this area, it also has a 24-hour support because it's a global business, and its community, the users are about 2 million, over 2 million now, and it uses both AI to respond to your basic questions. More detailed questions are referred to customer support, who are able to give you detailed information about what you wanted. So customer support is there 24/7. Anything that you want, anything that you don't understand, even how to set trades, you ask it and it gives you. So you don't have to worry about There's no one to guide me. I'm isolated. No, the system already has you covered in all areas. The 10th advantage is low capital requirement. Most businesses require a lot of money to be started. And then the businesses require a lot of money to get started, and they take a long time for you to break even because of the many overheads. But here, you don't have overheads. You already have a smartphone. That's one of the capital required, a smartphone. Then you need to download the exchange where you'll put your money. So you download the app for the exchange, and then you register for Royal Q and download the Royal Q app, and then you pay the $120 for the license. You pay $10 or $20 for fuel fee, the upfront payment. Then you put your capital, whether it is 200, 150, whatever dollars that you have, you put in and you start trading. So you can see that with only $200, your business is already running. And it can run so fast that even today you can join and start making money today. And the money you'll be making is profit. So unlike other businesses where you have to take time looking for customers, then you have to do marketing, then you have to renovate the place, you have to identify the place, you have to pay upfront, you have to, all those things are not required here. Yet it is able to give you more money than that physical business that you are dreaming about. Think about it. Go with the technology. Go with the times. The times have changed. The days when people used to make big businesses in big premises are no longer there. People are now using technology. Look at Bolt. Look at cabs. You look at little cabs. Look at all this Amazon. You look at the options that the businesses that people are running. They have no physical premises to match the area that they are coping with. They're just using technology. When you ask to sort something, it is sent to you direct. They source it, they send to you, they charge you a small fee. But because the number of people who are using the opportunity are many, then the small fees are making them a lot of money. Think about Alibaba. Think about even Safaricom here in Kenya. Technology. They're just leveraging on technology. Leverage on technology. Change your mindset of going to rent houses, pay monthly rents, pay bills, pay whatever, pay security. You have so many things to pay in the conventional business, and then by the end of the month, you find that all your money that you have invested, you have only made maybe 40,000 or 10,000 as your net, and you have to be there all the time, hustling and struggling with customers, haggling and whatever with the customers, being bothered by staff and personnel, people who are always looking for an opportunity to steal from you in the shop, people who are always looking for opportunities to steal even your customers so that they can do the service away from your service point. So let's move against the trends. Go to where the new trends are. Go where you are going to make money. If you are starting a business, your purpose is to make money. So find a way that can pay you money 24/7, can even pay you passive income when you are not there. That is the way to go. So those flash fellows walking around in cars, you cannot explain how they have got them. They are finding them in such opportunities. And you are sleeping there, think that once you are employed, then you will be okay. If you are employed and being paid $6, how will you be okay? How will $6 change your life? Truthfully, you have calculated here, you found most employees are being paid $6. So how is that going to change your life? So please, when you see an opportunity like this, grab it and run with it. It only requires low capital. So you don't have to give an excuse that you cannot raise the capital. It also gives you an opportunity to pay the $120 in installments. This month you get $10. Next month you get 20. You add. You add. So long as you do it in 90 days. Because Royal Q doesn't want jokers. So if you are paying installments, make sure that it's done in 90 days. and you're already activated. Otherwise, the app will be removed from the system because of overstaying without activating. So you have an opportunity. You can register under the person who invited you, get started, start paying little by little until the $120 is made. Then you can start your business, put your capital, and start trading. So for those who think that this is expensive, that's an option that you can take. Installments. Make sure that the installments are cleared within 90 days, not more, because the system will automatically delete that account if you don't activate within the 90 days. So you can accessible to beginners. You can start trading with a relatively low initial investment, making it easier for new traders to get involved in crypto without needing large capital to begin with. Transparency and reports, I talked about this. They give you monitoring, performance monitoring, and everything that goes on in the app. Real time. So the bot provides detailed trading reports and performance data, so you can track how it is performing and see if any adjustments are needed. So that if you see that you are only getting $20 and your goal was 50, you look at, is it your settings? Is it your presence? Is it your capital? So that you can change what is required to be changed so that you can reach your goals. So there's a clear fee structure. Royal Q usually charges a one-time license fee of $120 per year and a service fee or a small percentage of profits. Every time you make a profit, you are charged a fee of 20% for every profit made. You are not charged anything unless you make profit. So the system is designed to make sure that you only get charged when you have made profit. Not before you make profit. They are not charged per day. You are not charged per week or per month. You are charged every time you make a profit. And the profits can come in many small bits, very many times. So every time a profit comes in, you are charged 20% of that profit. Every time it comes, that's how it works. So by the end of the day, then you find you have your $120 profit, you have $200, you have $17. By the end of the day, all that data is put together and it's reflected here. That's what we are looking at that point when you are seeing that screen that we looked at. So that is what you are talking about, that this is the Royal Q app that you can use. And I just want us to have a look at a summary of the benefits. A summary, you have looked at the benefits. Now we want to have a summary of Royal Q income streams. Those who believe when you have more streams of income, then you become rich. Now look at the streams of income being offered by one bot, one business. You pay once, you get several streams of income. So one, trading income. Passive income from automated crypto trading. You automated it and you went. You are not sitting there working with it. So that's passive income. When it makes profit, it just it plows it into your account and you have money. Number two, referral income. If you can come in and find that this business is good and you refer someone, you will get active income from referring new users to the platform. Every new user that you refer to this platform, you'll be paid $30 one-off. You'll be paid $30 one-off. When he renews his app next year, you will be paid another $30. And every time he makes a profit as he's trading, the 20% that he's being charged, you will also get a small part paid to you by the company. A small part. Not big, a small part of the 20% will come to you. Then if that person you referred also refers someone, if that person that you referred and registered and activated his account also refers someone, he'll be paid $30 and you will be paid $5. Isn't that passive income now? Because you referred someone and then he referred someone. Whether you are involved or not, you are entitled to $5, which is paid real time. As soon as he activates, you get your $30. As soon as you activate, you get indirect, you get your $5. The third one is team bonus. So additional bonuses are based on the performance of your network. So team bonuses start from the person you refer. Once you refer, he makes a profit, you get a profit. He refers someone, he makes a profit, he also gets a small percentage, and you also get a small percentage. If the team grows to over 20 people directly referred by you, and then 135 people upwards, you are put into what is called a pool. You are put into what is called a pool, and you start earning team bonuses. And they are paid to you according to the number of people you have in your team and the number of leaders that are also coming up into that pool. So that is the third one. The fourth one is investment pool. So you see, once you enter into that pool, every time people are trading, by the end of the day, the company puts together all the profits, and it puts together all the referral bonuses, and then it divides to the number of people in that pool. So you get passive income from investment pool, people who are traded and they have made profit, and now you are being paid because you're in that pool. Just being in the pool, so long as your team is, you directly refer 20 people, and at least the team becomes 135, you are put into the pool. So the pool consists of three layers or three groups. The first group is what is called elite advisor. You require 20 people directly referred by you, and then the team reaches at least 135. You are put into you automatically enter the pool for elite advisors. Then the second pool is for principal advisors. So to be a principal advisor, you need to have put in 20 people directly yourself, and then your number should be at least 350 upwards. 350 upwards. Then the fourth pool is global advisor, and global advisor or global partner is the highest pool. Is the highest. You need to have brought 20 people, and then directly, and your team should have grown up to 800 people. 800 people, you'll be in that upwards. You'll be put into the a global advisor or global partner pool, which is paid highest. So each pool increases as you go higher. Then your bonuses also increase. Then profit sharing from multiple bots. So you can also use several accounts. You can open several accounts, and you continue making money from those accounts using your different strategies. So while RoyalQ primarily promotes passive income through automated trading, its MLM and referral system introduce a significant active income component, especially for those looking to build a team. The platform is designed to allow users to diversify their income through both trading and networking, making it appealing for those who want to mix crypto trading with affiliate marketing. So those are the advantages of this app. You can come in and do affiliate and combine with your trading. So you'll have more income from your trades and from the team members' trades and from their referral bonuses. And if that can't change your life, then I don't know what can, because the system is easy to operate. The team is there to support you. The strategies are inbuilt. You can also edit them and change them according to what you have been advised or what you have learned, and you continue making money 24/7 on your phone. So nobody is going to ask you where you were. You can still work and you still use your phone. You can still work and your phone still makes money for you, even as you are working while you are working. So this is a life-changing opportunity. If you believe it, take it. If you don't believe it, go maybe and look around. But by the time you now come back to check, you will find the people who believed have already changed lives. So I think I would want to leave it at that. I would like to leave this presentation at that, because we have already covered our 1 hour, and I said we are going to concentrate on the core. I said we are going to concentrate on the core of the business. So I've done that by concentrating on the core of the business. So I've concentrated on the core of the business, and I've not exceeded the time limit. So if you have maybe a few observations, you can put forward your observations, and then we can close the meeting. If you have any observations or questions you'd like. If you have any observations or questions that you'd like to share with us, you can do so. Otherwise, go to the person who invited you to this presentation. He'll give you an invitation link, which you'll register with. Then you'll pay the $120 to get started. Then he'll give you the steps to follow so that you can start trading. And this app is able to trade both spot and futures. So you get to choose whether you want to do spot trading, futures trading, or you want to do both. So this is a beautiful opportunity. Whichever method you want to trade, it's also open to you. Once you have the license, the gate is open, and you are now inside. So you decide what is good for you and use it to make the best out of what you use it to make the best out of what is being offered. So I think there's no one with a question. You are all saying it's well understood. Excellent presentation. Can you drop the YouTube link, sir? So the YouTube, you can look for it. Michael, the YouTube, you can look for it. It is called, let me type it here. It is called Royal Q. Royal Q. Royal Q Revolution. YouTube channel. You can go search for it, you'll find it. You'll find it in YouTube, and then you can get materials there that can help you make decisions or improve your ability. So I think because you have all understood and followed, I'll now give you the opportunity to go reach out to your people who invited you so that you can go and start your business. Don't wait any longer, because you have already wasted 4 good years, because this opportunity came in 2021. So if you had started that time, imagine where you'd be by now. So let's go get started, and let's go get going. Thank you and have a good night. Thank you and have a good night.